Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular set of videos, we are talking about good moral character and how that affects whether you can become a citizen or not through naturalization. Now, question comes up, if you give false testimony, does that or is that a violation of good moral character? And there's various ways that this comes up. For example, failure to reveal criminal history on the N400 or the naturalization application and at an interview. That is false testimony, and that is a ground of showing you do not have good moral character. So if you decide to hide your past criminal history, either if they ask you, they being the naturalization officer, or when you're filling out the application, um, you're going to be subject to not having good moral character. Um, there's uh, various exceptions to that. For example, there is false testimony. First of all, must be given with the subjective intent of obtaining an immigration benefit. So what that means is that if you give false testimony, but it doesn't have any intent of obtaining an immigration benefit, then you're not going to be violating good moral character. Um, so, for example, another situation might be there was a case where the granting of the naturalization, where there were discrepancies between the applicant's account of what happened and the police report of what happened um, on a 15-year-old event because they couldn't determine that it amounted to giving false testimony to obtaining an immigration benefit. So you have to analyze and look at each particular instance where there might have been false testimony, and if you can show that it was given for some other reason, while there might be some other issues involved here, at least for the good moral character element of naturalization, you won't be in trouble. Okay, more on the coming videos.